red flags for subject to real estate. Well, gang, this is Michael with MrNoFluff.com, and today one of my primary red flags for subject to real estate investing is sellers mindset. For example, if I'm dealing with a seller and I feel like they're wishy-washy or I feel like they're not honest, I don't do the deal. I just walk away from it no matter how good the deal is. From all the years of experience, I realized that when someone is wishy-washy, when someone is going back and forth, when someone can't make their mind, this is a very dangerous deal for me, because I can put all my time and energy into it, and at the end of the day, I might not get the deal. I might not be able to harvest my work. So when I meet sellers that are wishy-washy, they're telling me I give them an offer that they want, and they're thinking, well, I'm gonna shop it around. Or, basically, if I give them exactly what they want and they still wanna shop it around, then I'll walk away from that deal. Or if they're wishy-washy, or I feel like they're wishy-washy, I'll walk away from the deal. Now, if someone says they want to shop around, I don't have a problem with it. But once we made a decision, to commit to this thing, and then they change their mind, then I walk away from it. So one of my biggest red flags was subject to real estate investing, seller financing, creative real estate strategy is that if the seller is wishy-washy, this is one of the biggest flags that for me is not to do the deal. So I'll walk away from it, because from my experience, I've learned that when I invest my time and energy into these types of individuals, into these types of motivated sellers, there's a good chance, I would say 60 to 75% chance, that I might not get the deal, because the seller will change their mind down the road at the title company. Maybe the seller will sell the deal to another investor after we already have it under contract, or the seller is just unstable. So my biggest red flag when dealing with motivated sellers is their mindset. If they're the type of individuals that are wishy-washy, I just walk away from it and I'll let some other investor get the deal. I don't want to deal with it. Does that mean that the deal is a bad deal? Maybe not, but it's just not for me. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below.